In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Monday.com 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a board confidently while keeping your data secure and your collaborators on the right level of access. First, head to your Monday.com account and open the board you want to share. In this example, we'll use a board called Trial Management, but this works the same way for any board in your workspace. Make sure you're on the correct board before you proceed, especially if it contains sensitive information. A quick tip: verify that the board type supports the kind of sharing you intend. Guests can typically be added to shareable boards, while viewers can be granted read-only access. If you're working with external partners, clients, or vendors, double-check that you're not exposing internal-only items. Next, look to the top right corner of the board and click the Invite button. It may appear as a button labeled Invite or as a small person icon with a plus symbol. When the invite window opens, this is where you control who can access the board and how they interact with it. The crucial part here is limiting access to guest or viewer as needed. Choose guest when you're inviting someone outside your organization who needs limited collaboration on just this board. Choose viewer when you want someone to see the board but not make any changes. This is read-only access. Before you proceed, review the permission details shown in the invite panel. Viewer access ensures they cannot edit items, change statuses, or move groups. Guests, depending on your board permissions and plan, can be further restricted, but they should never have broader workspace access. If you see options for editing rights or item level permissions, keep those locked down unless you have a clear reason to allow them. This is the best way to protect workflows, automations, and dashboards that depend on stable data. If the invite button is missing or grayed out, you might not be the board owner, or your plan may not support inviting guests to that board type. In that case, contact a workspace admin or the board owner and ask them to confirm board type, permissions, and your role. That's it. Open the correct board, use the invite control, and make sure the invite is set to guest or viewer so you preserve data integrity while sharing exactly what's needed. Take a moment to review access. After inviting to ensure everything looks right, then you're good to go.